sorry guys if I didn't film the drop part. I know it can be a bit disappointing, but they caught me using the camera, told me to put my camera away. Best ride I've been to. I'm pretty soaked. You can't see it on camera, but just take a look at the contrast. If you're going to Universal, I'd recommend going to that water slide. It's the best. Wow. The Universal Studios looks so beautiful at night. And this is the Marvel section at night. Oh, and the Hulk too.
Take a photo?
Alright guys, so sorry for the greasy quality. Looks like I smeared Vaseline in it, but right now we are here in Miami and the city looks dark from the footage you saw earlier. Like there's nothing much, it looks dirty and bland compared to Orlando. Alright, so I just cleaned my camera and yes, you have a pool there, but you'll have the whole beach at the back. And I know I may sound a bit too gamery here, but that bridge reminds me of the bridge going to a small amusement park in Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Okay, so this is our sink and there's a console there. Well, not gaming console, of course. A couch I'll be sleeping on because you know I like sleeping alone. Over here, you have another bed and another TV. So, and our balcony. You guys can enjoy the view over there. Beautiful. Oh, we also have a jacuzzi. I never noticed that. Our next trip, Bahamas. Unfortunately, we're not going to stay long there because of what happened with all the hurricanes and stuff. Bahamas is pretty destroyed at the moment. So we're going to this ship, Grand Classica. There's like a casino there, there's video games, there's dancing parties. Alright, looks pretty cool if you ask me. I just so love the interior here. Now we just gotta find our room. Oh, and that's my bed. This is kind of irrelevant, but this reminds me of London's room from Sweet Life on Deck, if you guys could recall. Wow, this looks amazing. Now this is the life. Oh, if you guys want to see the view, right out here. Amazing. Okay, cool. There's a pool here. Nice, nice. Alright, so here's the buffet area.
Oh my.
nice here. Green tabletop. Pretty cool. I just want to show you guys the outside. We're still not leaving the place yet, of course, but here's what the sea looks like. Alright, here's the front view if you guys want to see my face. If not, then fine. Alright guys, so there's another pool here, but it's for adults only, unfortunately. Okay guys, so here's the top view of West Palm Beach. The whole skyline. Oh, sweet. Got some arcades here, basketball arcades, and there's a sports bar, which is cool. Then an air hockey table. Alright, so this is Nassau in Bahamas, or Nassau if you want to call it. This time it actually didn't get affected by the hurricane. Well, I'm not sure if it did, but from what I can tell, none of the buildings are destroyed. So right now we're getting a tour. It looks pretty unique here, pretty colorful with all of the buildings right here and palm trees. I mean, it's pretty unique. We have yet to explore the beach, but I'll just run through a little montage of what we're going through. Alright, so right now it's rush hour here. Lots of buses having to go through this traffic.